Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Banjo and Kazooie in Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. Banjo and Kazooie offer a unique blend of close-range and projectile attacks, making them versatile fighters. Their special moves are key to controlling the stage and racking up damage. Wonderwing, for example, grants temporary invincibility and a powerful dash, perfect for escaping tricky situations or finishing off opponents. Mastering their neutral aerial is also crucial for maintaining stage control. Let's dive into some offensive strategies. Banjo and Kazooie excel at chaining attacks, like linking a forward air into an up air for consistent damage and keeping foes airborne. Their Breagle Blaster is excellent for pressuring opponents from a distance, forcing them to approach you. When it comes to edge guarding, a well-timed down air can spike opponents off the stage, while a forward smash can seal the deal. Remember to mix up your attacks to keep your opponents guessing and maximize your damage output. Maria's combat style is quite different from Alucard's. Her primary attack involves throwing her two doves, which return to her. She can also summon a powerful cat, a fire-breathing dragon, and a protective turtle to aid her in battle. Her agility is enhanced by a double jump and a quick forward dash, allowing for swift navigation and evasion. Mastering these unique abilities is key to her success against the castle's many dangers. For advanced play, remember to manage your Wonderwing charges wisely. You only have 5 per stock, so use them for critical moments like recovery or powerful finishers. Understanding specific character matchups is also crucial, as it allows you to tailor your strategy against different opponents. Practice precise input timing for your special moves to ensure optimal execution and maximum effectiveness. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to mastering Banjo and Kazooie in Super Smash Bros. Ultimate.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.